WSU.
WP. Wow, grabe. Hello sa ating mga standards na nanonood dyan ngayon. Thank you so much for gracing us with your performance and for capturing our hearts. Ayun, baka may gusto kayong sabihin sa ating audience?
First of all, thank you so much po sa lahat ng tao sa support po sa amin. Sa mga tao na patuloy mong iniwala sa kami Sanas. And syempre, sa 19 po, meron din po kami performance sa may Rizal. Nakatayo Rizal po, meron din po kami doon. And I hope na may makapunta po dito. Yun po, maraming salamat po. So syempre, gusto din po namin introduce po sa inyo yung ating mga social media accounts. Our social media platform sa Facebook, we stand as WSTAN-US Special. And sa IG din po and TikTok din po.
Alright, thank you very much. We stand us. And on that note, let's award you your deserving recognition from Philippine Fashion Trends as the P-Pop Next Gen Innovator Award.
Of course, we would like to remind everyone that we are on live for PH Fashion TV. So you can search it up on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and you can also share our live para naman sa mga hindi nakapunta ngayon. And keep sharing the live and of course, comment lang kayo ng comment.
Yes, especially if you have someone from one of our models or performers who are your people. Feel free to share it with all of your fan base as well. So maraming salamat to those who are watching us virtually and digitally.
Once again, thank you so much, Sanas, and congratulations. And partner, I believe that actually, is that our first P-pop group performance?
Well, they're the second one actually.
Oh, they're the second one. Kasi parang, I believe we have a next P-pop performer.
One more now.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have another next set of P-pop performers that will surely capture our hearts. Let us all welcome on stage, Divine! Also, please keep on streaming our debut single entitled Shake, out now on all your favorite digital streaming platforms. And join our Shakeable Dance Challenge on TikTok! Let's go Shake!
Shake.